I absolutely hate Indiana winters. This is why. Wait a minute. Lakeshore flood warning? Okay, winter storm warning. So I gotta fix this little problem that's got the warning thingy on the bottom of my brand new TV that I bought just a few weeks ago. So I think I'm gonna get something to fix that. Now I ask you, isn't there anything that elastic bandages cannot do? There, at least I fixed the problem. I don't have to look at that stupid winter storm warning thing on my screen. So in fact, this week I'm going to keep you posted on what's happening with the snow and all this week on this week's vlog. Meanwhile, I'm going to turn the sound back on this Muppet show here. So I'll keep you posted, entertainer heads. Not to worry. Looking out my back door. Hello, Mr. Entertainer again. It's Wednesday night, and we have an actual storm warning going on until about 4 o'clock tomorrow. But some of the neighboring counties from here has a blizzard warning, believe it or not. Well, it doesn't look like it's coming down very hard at the moment, but it's off and on. It's like this big, huge low pressure center that's like sitting right in the middle of the Midwest, right over Indiana. And my city seems to be almost in the nucleus of it. A real mess. And all my church stuff has been canceled for the night. And this is the third winter this thing has happened. And I really wish I could live someplace where they don't cancel church services every winter. That'd be nice. Like Las Vegas, perhaps. So I'm going to just hunker down for the night and maybe go to work tomorrow morning, but it seems to be a rather big maybe. Yeah, and hopefully tomorrow evening I can go to Walmart and get some more stuff. But I got plenty of food in the house for tonight. So I'm hoping one of these days, maybe after this fall, I can move out of Indiana and not put up with this anymore. But that'd be awesome. So, I'll talk to you entertainer heads later, as usual. Excuse me, sir. Sir, can I talk to you a minute? Do you know if the Rave party is happening tonight? Oh, you don't seem very talkative. Well, thank you very much. Have a good evening. Hello, Mr. Entertainer again. It's Friday evening, and I'm in a small town called Goshen, and there's karaoke going on in this bar in front of me, but I don't want to go in there because they allow smoking, because I can't stand smoking. So I'm going to go down and see if that rave party is open, and the price is right too. It's free tonight. So see if I can get in there. Maybe I'll catch some footage in there. Talk to you later. Okay, entertainer heads, I made it. The music is starting, and I had to go through the security line to get in here. So, and there's not much happening right now. Well, I was sitting here a moment ago, then they made everybody go out, and then come back in and have IDs checked. How ironic is that? But better safe than sorry, I suppose. I'll talk to you entertainer heads later. Okay, it's Mr. Entertainer again, and I just got out of this party. It was at a place called the Rave, believe it or not. Well, who could figure that out? I mean, a rave at the Rave. It's like, oh boy, I'm doing so much dancing, I'm gonna be feeling it tomorrow morning. Well, even though I'm 44 years old, I can still probably dance some of those younger kids under the table. But, so I'm going to go back to my car right now, and I'm going to sail up and head back to Entertainment. And it's now early Saturday morning, after midnight. We're going to let it all hang out. I don't know why I just said that. Of course, I say all kinds of stupid things when when it's like after midnight. My brain is like messed up. And sometimes I do a lot of crazy things. I even lick the speaker. Okay, now why did I do that? I don't know. Talk to you later, entertainer heads. Mr. Entertainer, Saturday night. And I'm not done dancing yet because I'm going to go see the Buzz Band tonight here at the DAV. And not much else to say except there's a really nice sunset behind me. I tried to withdraw money at that bank over there, but the bank was closed and the property is for sale. Man, I hate when that happens. So, I'll talk to you entertainer heads later. Whoa, it's a little bit dark. I'm not sure if you can see me, but I just got out of the rave, not the rave party, but the Buzz Band show that I went to. Oh my gosh, I did a lot of dancing, and I danced with two different ladies. They seemed to like my moves and stuff. And so I'm going to go home and sleep, and my body is still aching from last night, and tonight also. So I got to give my body a rest, which would be rather beneficial. Because I got church tomorrow, and I got to fire up the projector, and I actually have to show up at praise team practice a little bit earlier tomorrow morning. So I'm going to saddle up and head home, and I will talk to you entertainer heads later. Entertainer heads, it's Sunday morning, and that's going to do it for this week's vlog. I hope you had fun, and I know I sure did. And I'm still aching a little from all that dancing I did the last 2 nights. So it's Sunday morning, I'm going to get some breakfast, and I got to fire up the projector for the praise team. Well, I'll talk to you on Monday, or whenever I start my next vlog. I'm rather bad at vlogging right now, so you'll have to bear with me. Bye.